Okay, let's make some crinkles. So, make a ball. 1.5. So we make a ball like that. And then put it in the sugar. Kunting ano lang, pag masyadong madami. Dito natin damihan sa powdered sugar. Ito ay the powdered sugar. Yan. You have to put very generous. Yan natin ng paper. Muna. Saka dito natin ilagay yung cookies. 8. Ayan. So, gawa na natin yung 9 pieces. So, ilagay na natin sa oven. Ayan. I-bake natin for 10 to 11 minutes. Okay? Oh, see? Look at that, guys. Oh, my crinkles na tayo. They look so nice over there. Okay, and then I'll put it in the rack. Yan. Okay, second batch na to, guys. Ginawa ko na kanina, so ilagay na lang natin doon. Yan. Yan. So, may 3 pa natitira ito, oh. Yan, 3. Lagay ko na lang ulit siya mamaya. Yan. Yung na-bake kanina, oh. Silagyan natin sa, ano, medyo ano pa siya, kaya hindi ko muna siya nilalagay sa rack. Yan. Oh. Para mag-cool siya na maayos. So, lagyan natin sa rack. Diba? Ganyan, guys. Oh. Para mag-cool siya na maayos. I need more rocks. Okay, look, guys, this is the second batch for the crinkles. Second batch na to. So, ito. asawa ko ang dalawa. Alexa, stop. Kasi pag hindi natin alisin dito, mag-ano siya. Dapat 5 minutes lang. Oh, see? Look at that, guys. Chocolatey. See? The chocolate inside. So nice. Looks so nice. It's yummy. Look. So chewy. My God. My gosh. So yummy. Like that. My God. So lovely. Is. Look at the one inside. The chocolate inside. Look at that. So nice. Yummy.